Is this on?
Here we go. Heads all the way back.
Oh my God, you made me do this!
Hot out today.
It is hot. I'm about to cry.
Good question, guys. You want a countdown or surprise?
What's up,
Texas!
What's up?
Lunatic!
Hey, my hair!
Hey, shout out! Shout out to my family!
Shout out! Oh my gosh. My eyes are...
Oh, we so high! Oh, this feels... This just
You're like, let me think about this.
Yeah. Yeah, just give them a countdown. And then...
Tears are coming out my eyes.
Oh! That was worth it.
Woo!
How was that, guys?
That was awesome.
Good deal.
Very unexpected.
So, there's an offer on the table. $10 for you, $10 for him. We go again right now, higher and faster. What do you think?
We're not the ones that paid. Hey, Mom! Can we spend $20 more? Can we spend $20 more to go again?
I got 20 bucks. It's in my wallet, in our purse. You guys can pay after.
You can do it?
We got it. You gonna do it? You gotta see if I have it. Where's the purse? Ooh. No, it's one. But we get everything. We get the